Ever wondered why a piece of chocolate can instantly lift your mood? Well, the answer lies in a fascinating little chemical called serotonin. It's one of the many neurotransmitters in your brain, and it plays a crucial role in how you feel, think, and behave. So what exactly is serotonin? It's a neurotransmitter, which essentially means it's one of the chemical messengers that transmit signals in your brain. When serotonin levels are optimal, it helps to keep our mood balanced, fostering feelings of happiness and well-being. That's why it's often dubbed the happy chemical. But serotonin does more than just keep us in high spirits. It's involved in a wide range of functions throughout the body, from regulating sleep and appetite to helping with learning and memory. Ever noticed how a good night's sleep can make you feel refreshed and ready to take on the day? That's serotonin at work, helping to regulate your sleep cycles. And when it comes to our daily life, serotonin is a key player. It influences our behavior and mood in many ways. For instance, low levels of serotonin can lead to feelings of sadness and anxiety. On the other hand, high levels can make us feel overjoyed or even manic. So, maintaining a balanced level of serotonin is crucial for our mental health. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly does serotonin impact our brain? Well, it all comes down to the intricate network of neurons in our brain. When a neuron releases serotonin, it travels across a tiny gap called a synapse to reach a neighboring neuron. Once there, it binds to specific areas on the neuron, known as receptors, influencing the electrical signal of that neuron. This, in turn, affects the way that neuron communicates with others, ultimately influencing our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. So, serotonin is a key player in our brain, but did you know it has other roles too? Stay tuned to find out more about this fascinating neurotransmitter and its unexpected roles in our body. Surprisingly, serotonin isn't just about keeping our mood in check. It's a bit of a multitasker, playing numerous roles in our bodies. Recent advancements in science have begun to unravel the deeper mysteries of this fascinating chemical, revealing its unexpected roles, particularly in our gut and immune system. Let's step away from the brain for a moment and descend into our digestive system. Did you know that about 90% of our body's serotonin is produced in the gut? Yes, it's true. This might seem odd, considering we often associate serotonin with brain function. But our gut is essentially our second brain. It's densely packed with millions of neurons, and serotonin plays a crucial part in regulating our digestive processes. It helps control bowel movements and function, impacts our appetite, and even plays a role in nausea. But wait, there's more. Serotonin's influence extends beyond our gut and brain. It's also a key player in our immune system. When our bodies are under attack by harmful pathogens, serotonin steps up to the plate. It helps regulate our immune response, ensuring that our bodies can effectively fight off the invaders. It's like our body's own built-in superhero flying to the rescue when we're in trouble. Additionally, serotonin is involved in bone health. Sounds surprising, right? Well, studies have shown that high levels of serotonin in the bones can lead to osteoporosis. This underscores the importance of maintaining a balanced level of serotonin, not just for our mood, but for our overall health. So, serotonin is not just the feel-good hormone we've all come to know. It's a complex and essential chemical that plays multiple roles in our bodies, from our mood to our gut, from our immune response to our bone health. It's clear that serotonin is so much more than its reputation suggests. Now that we've seen the diverse roles of serotonin, let's explore how we can boost its levels naturally. Did you know your diet can directly influence your serotonin levels? It seems almost magical, doesn't it? But it's all based on science. Let's dive into the world of mood-boosting foods. Foods rich in protein, iron, riboflavin, and vitamin B6 all tend to contain large amounts of tryptophan, an essential amino acid that our bodies convert into serotonin. So, what are these magical foods that can help us create more of this happy hormone? First on our list is bananas. This humble fruit is a powerhouse of nutrients and is particularly high in tryptophan. Eating a banana can give your body the raw materials it needs to produce serotonin and help keep your mood stable. Next up, we have eggs. Not only are eggs a breakfast staple, but they're also a fantastic source of tryptophan. And the best part, the tryptophan in eggs is highly bioavailable, meaning your body can use it efficiently to produce serotonin. And we can't forget about salmon. This fatty fish is known for its omega-3 fatty acids, but it's also a great source of tryptophan. So, incorporating salmon into your diet could help you keep your serotonin levels in check. In addition to these, foods like nuts and seeds, turkey, tofu, and cheese are also rich in tryptophan. So you have a wide variety of options to choose from to boost your serotonin production. But while we're talking about serotonin boosting foods, it's also worth mentioning that carbohydrates can play a role too. They help the body absorb tryptophan, so a balanced diet that includes whole grain breads, oats, and brown rice, along with your protein sources, can be beneficial. Remember though, that while diet is important, it's only one piece of the puzzle. Regular exercise, enough sleep, and a healthy lifestyle are also key to maintaining optimal serotonin levels. While these foods can help, there are also certain habits to avoid to prevent depleting our serotonin levels. So, let's explore those in the next part of our journey into the fascinating world of serotonin. Just as certain foods can boost your serotonin levels, certain actions can drain them. Now let's shift our focus to the habits that can lower serotonin levels. Firstly, let's talk about sleep. We all love those late night movie marathons and scrolling sessions on social media, don't we? But did you know that insufficient sleep can contribute to decreased serotonin levels? It's a brutal cycle, really. The less sleep you get, the less serotonin your body produces. And the less serotonin you have, the harder it becomes to get a good night's sleep. So, try to make sure you're getting those 7 to 9 hours of shut-eye every night. Next up, stress. High stress is another major serotonin killer. When we're stressed, our body goes into fight or flight mode, releasing adrenaline and cortisol, which can deplete serotonin levels. So, it's important to find ways to manage stress. It could be through meditation, exercise, or even just taking a few moments each day to breathe deeply and relax. Now let's talk about diet. A poor diet, especially one high in processed foods and low in whole foods, can lead to lower serotonin levels. Processed foods often lack the essential nutrients that our bodies need to produce serotonin. On the other hand, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help maintain optimal serotonin levels. Remember, you are what you eat. Lastly, let's not forget about exercise. Lack of physical activity can also contribute to lower serotonin levels. Regular exercise, particularly aerobic exercise, can help boost serotonin levels. So find a physical activity you enjoy, be it dancing, running, or even just walking, and make it a part of your daily routine. In conclusion, maintaining optimal serotonin levels is not just about what we eat, but also about how we live. It's about a balanced lifestyle that includes sufficient sleep, stress management, a healthy diet, and regular exercise. So by understanding serotonin and how to naturally maintain its levels, we can take a proactive approach to our well-being. In essence, serotonin is more than just a mood booster. This neurotransmitter is a jack of all trades, master of many. From the intricate crevices of our brain to the depths of our gut, it wears several hats and plays a myriad of roles. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane. We've learned that serotonin is an unsung hero in our brain, influencing our moods, emotions, and behaviors. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, dictating the tempo and harmony of our cognitive symphony. When serotonin is in balance, our mental health is in tune. But when it's off, the music of our minds can become discordant. And serotonin's versatility doesn't stop there. It's also a key player in our gut, aiding in digestion and communicating with our brain through the gut-brain axis. This fascinating dialogue between our gut and brain paints a vivid picture of the interconnectedness of our body systems. It's like a secret conversation, whispering messages back and forth with serotonin as the messenger. Then we delved into the foods that can help boost serotonin levels. Remember the turkey at Thanksgiving dinner? Or that piece of dark chocolate you enjoy after a long day? These foods are rich in tryptophan, an essential amino acid that our bodies convert into serotonin. It's like fueling a car. The right foods can rev up our serotonin production and keep our mood engines running smoothly. And of course, we talked about the habits to avoid. Lack of sleep, stress, and poor diet can all deplete our serotonin levels. It's like walking on a tightrope. Maintaining a balanced lifestyle is crucial to keeping our serotonin levels in check. So, next time you enjoy a piece of chocolate, remember the complex and fascinating role serotonin plays in your well-being. It's not just about feeling good, but about maintaining a harmonious balance within our bodies. A balance that serotonin, the unsung hero of our well-being, helps to uphold.